Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find gold on Bookmap. Alright, so let's begin. The main reason is that Bookmap doesn't display spot forex markets in the same way as traditional charting platforms. Instead, Bookmap works with exchange traded market data, and gold is commonly accessed through gold futures traded on COMEX, which is part of the CME group. So instead of searching for XIUSD, you'll need to look for the gold futures contract. The primary symbol you should know is GC, which represents gold futures. However, GC alone isn't the complete contract symbol. Each futures contract also has a specific month code and year attached to it. For example, GCG26 represents the February 2026 gold futures contract. Now let's see how you can add gold inside Bookmap. Start by clicking the plus icon to add a new instrument to your workspace. Next, select your available market data provider such as DXFeed or Rhythmic, depending on the provider connected to your Bookmap account. Then go to the symbol field and enter GC. Bookmap should then display the available gold futures contracts from your selected data provider. Look through the list and select the contract with the correct month and year that you want to analyze. After selecting the appropriate contract, click subscribe. If your account has the required market data access, Bookmap should load the gold futures chart along with its order book and heat map. If the gold chart doesn't appear, there are a few things you should check. The first possibility is that your account doesn't have the necessary CME or COMEX market data entitlement. Gold futures require access to the relevant exchange data, and this access may not be included with a free Bookmap setup. Without the proper data subscription, you may be able to see the symbol but won't receive live market data. Another thing to check is the contract you're trying to load. Futures contracts have specific expiration dates, so an expired or inactive contract may result in a blank chart or no incoming data. Once you've confirmed that you're using the correct GC contract and have the required exchange data access, you should be able to load gold into Bookmap and analyze it just like other futures markets. And that's it. So that's basically how you can find gold on Bookmap. So that's all for this video.